Hi mga ka-CSA! I am Diane Felarca. I've known Doktora since 2011. Sa kanya ako pupunta for my skin treatments before I went abroad. Kaya naman, I am so excited to finally see Doktora Tessa again after 6 years. Kaya pag uwi ko from abroad, agad kong minessage si Doktora Tessa kasi I've watched her videos on YouTube about non-surgical nose procedures. I know na si Doktora Tessa talaga ang expert sa mga ganitong procedure. Kaya nung nalaman ko na merong non-surgical procedure, agad kong minessage si Doktora Tessa para sabihin sa kanya na sa kanya ko gusto ipagkatiwala ang ilong ko. Kasi kanino pa ba, 'di ba? Kung hindi sa multi-awarded certified aesthetic physician na si Doktora Tessa. Ayoko ng drastic changes sa appearance. Kaya naman, I'm sure perfect itong nose procedure na ito to achieve a natural looking nose. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to keep you posted on her videos.
Good day everyone, welcome to the CSA Medical Aesthetics. I'm Dr. Contessa, your certified aesthetic physician. In today's episode, we'll be introducing a new product for our non-surgical nose enhancement. But before that, let me introduce to you our special guest for the day, my friend, Miss Diane. Welcome, Diane.
It's nice
Welcome
to
back.
see you again after
Yeah.
6 years. Namiss ko talaga si Doc.
That's very long, huh, Diane?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, Diane, you're looking at her, okay? She looks so young, but we don't wanna say her age, okay? And looking at the face proportions, so upper third, middle third, lower third. Well, her main concern actually is on the center, the middle third, which is the nose, okay? And if you assess the nose of Diane, actually, I could say she already has a very good nasofrontal angle here, or the dorsum height is already okay. But of course, Filipino nose, diba, somehow it's still rounded on the nasal tip,
Yes, Doc.
but not much, okay? And then Asian nose also, we have the so-called alar flaring. But then Diane also would wanna still do some enhancements to like highlight that beautiful feature of the face, which is the center, the nose, diba?
Right, Doc.
Because we know that it's one of the key attraction point of our face.
That's right.
Because there's a big impact when you enhance the nose. That's why we women, when we do our makeup, we still have this so-called nose line. That's we call it the dorsal nasal line or aesthetic line on the sides, right? On the sides of the nose. It's like to make it pointy or higher. Do you do makeup on the nose?
Yes, Doc.
Oh, she has an idea on that. Okay, so we've been doing a lot of nose enhancements in our past episodes, and we have been using materials like dermal fillers. We've been using like Hyco PDO threads, Hyco PCL threads. Right now, we will be using a new kind of thread. So something to further enhance. Now, without the use of dermal filler. Okay, because some people, we do the combination filler and threads for the main reason we wanted to achieve that normal proportions of the nose, or we wanted to achieve a better nasofrontal angle and also achieve that better dorsal nasal line, or have the best aesthetic nose appeal. Okay, kasi we have nga rules of proportions eh. Kasi the others, when you do the nose, halimbawa, you just put threads only. But then the problem is the height is really inadequate. And when you just put like few pieces of threads, it's gonna appear like it's just a pinched nose. Or there was a comment, it's like parang may toothpick lang yung ilong. So that's the thing why we still combine filler and thread. So for some individuals, they really lack the height on the dorsum. And they don't want to go through the surgical procedure. So they just want yung mga non-surgical, yung ganito, injections. So we combine the filler to still give that volume, and then you add the threads to give it a better definition. But right now, some people, they don't want dermal filler. Is it possible that we just do the threads? Yes, we can do threads only. And the good thing is, we have a solution for those people that will require a more volume for the nose using a so-called volumizing thread. Yan. So of course, we continue to do our research, we continue to do our studies, and we still look into better materials for a best result. Okay. In addition to that, actually, Diane and I, we were talking a while ago, and we were discussing about right now that there are so many shops or spas or clinics that are offering treatments of these nose injections. And we have found out that some of them are not doctors. They're not licensed physicians. They're not PRC licensed MDs. And they're doing injections on the nose. Okay, have you heard of that?
Oo, Doc.
Right?
Oh, yes.
So, I don't know how they learned about this. And then some people are telling me, Doc, I've seen naman they have a certificate of training. And some of them, they are the estheticians, or some of them like beauticians or makeup artists. And take note, mga ka-CSA, we just want to give you like a warning reminder that the only professionals authorized or licensed to do injections, especially on the face. Yun po yung mga humahawak ng mga karakarayom yan, tusok ng tusok, kahit nga sa pagswero-swero yan. Or physicians, nurses are also licensed to do mga injections with the supervision of their doctor, di ba? So, kailangan yun, mga nurses supervised ng physician also. But, kung baga, yung by law, ang license to do face injections or any kind of like injections talaga sa katawan are licensed physicians or licensed medical doctors. Pero meron dyan, okay, esthetician, tas nakita ninyo may training certificate na ganyan, nanood lang or nag-workshop ng training ng tusok-tusok. Pero wala po silang lisensya ng PRC from Professional Regulation Commission or Professional Regulatory Commission na mag-perform ng ganitong mga injectables, especially on the face. Na ang face is so complex. Marami po yan mga ugat, blood vessels, nerves. Minsan nga may variation pa, hindi namin alam kung baka iba yung facial artery distribution niya sa mukha. So, pag ganyan na po na dumadami ang mga non-doctors injecting on the face, dadami po ang complication rates, especially here in the Philippines, which we doctors, we don't want to happen. We just wanted to avoid complications. Kasi po, mga tusok na yan, laging pong pwedeng may complications. There will always be a risk. Okay? So, we just want to warn you, kayo po na aming tagapanood, about this mga non-physicians, unqualified practitioners, particularly doing nose injections. This is a danger zone of the face. Okay, napaka-delikado po nito. Malapit sa mata and malapit po sa brain natin sa loob. Okay? So, actually po, sa dermal filler, marami ng reports all over the world po, blindness from dermal filler or necrosis from dermal filler. So, these risks or complications can be, or they can happen with those performing non-physicians, unqualified practitioners. So, beware lang po. Just an advice to all of you. Excited na ako, Dayan.
Ako rin
So, ating ipakita kung ano yung bagong produkto at ang actual procedure sa pagbabalik ng CSA Medical Aesthetics. CSA, so we'll now show you what is the new product that we are going to be presenting and the actual procedure. So right now for Dayan, so a while ago I already did a lidocaine application plus injection of that lidocaine with epinephrine anesthesia, and the product that we will be using will be the so-called Hyco Octo Twist. So it's a unique type of thread material. It's made of polycaprolactone and it has 8 strands of the threads twisted on each other. So it's a thicker type of thread. So it's so-called volumizing thread. So something new. So first will be Dayan. Okay. So this is same as the other types of threads. It's just that it has 8 strands twisted on each other. And it's loaded in this cannula already. So this is the so-called Hyco OctoTwist PCL thread. So yeah, I think there's a picture being shown on the packet of these types of threads. Okay, so again, as with our other nose procedures, we cleanse, okay, and then we anesthetize, and so we'll be using our lidocaine with epinephrine again. So we just inject, okay, on the entry point here, nasal tip, and after that we make our entry point. So I'm gonna be using the gauge. This is a gauge 19 needle, okay, for our entry point. Okay, so I'll be starting with this type of Octo Twist thread. It's in a 60 millimeter length and it's a gauge 21 cannula. Okay, so I'll pinch the nose and then just thread the cannula towards the radix. So the goal is to give a better nose definition, better contour, and a more enhanced nose for Dayan. So this is again Hyco Octo Twist, a simple technique like this. So again, this is intended for our aesthetic medical doctors only, please. Okay, so since I use 4 Octo Twist volumizing thread, I can also add with my regular Hyco PDO thread. Okay. So this PCL PDO you can combine. It's very safe, they're very biocompatible. Okay, so this is my 6th insertion, and then the 7th, and then the 8th. The Yanis is still okay. So I'm just staying midline, 9, and then we'll do the last one, 10. So others are asking how long do they last. That's a very good question too. Okay, PDO, they usually hydrolyze in 12 months. PCL hydrolyze in 24 months. Okay. So, mas matagal ang lifespan ng polycaprolactone. So, we use the Hyco Octo Twist PCL. So, matagal pa yan, Dayan. Now, I'll be proceeding to the tip projection. Okay. So, this is to bring out the nasal tip columella. So we need a shorter type of thread here. So just go into the intercrural space. That's the safe space for our product material. So take note, I made another entry point just to make sure that the threads are in the right anatomical placement. Okay, so we are done with our actual procedure. We'll show the result to Dayan when CSA Medical Aesthetics return. And we're back, mga ka-CSA. So, we'll show the result to Dayan. Dayan, here's the mirror na.
Excited na ako, Doc.
Okay. Yan.
Wow.
Right? So, what we did on Dayan was pure thread insertions. So we enhance the bridge, we project the nasal tip, and we improve the nasofrontal angle as well as the nasolabial angle. So the dorsum height was increased, And then we made the nose narrower and slimmer also, which is the goal, especially for women. We wanted to have a narrower nose and a projected nasal tip, as well as reduce the alar flaring or the wide alars. Okay, Dayan, any message sa televiewers?
First, sobrang ganda ng gawa ni Doc. Grabe. Natural looking, which is yung gusto ko talaga ma-achieve. Tapos non-surgical lang.
Yeah.
So, just to remind everyone po, meron po kasi, Doc, first po, magkano po ba yung mga prices po sa
Yeah, because we have a lot of questions like that
Opo.
nga. To give you an idea, so yung Hyco PDO, one piece, yung isang piraso, 1,500 pesos. Pag Hyco PCL, kasi longer lasting siya, umabot ng 2 years, 2,500 pesos. Now, the OctoTwist Hyco OctoTwist PCL will give it an introductory price of 2,500 pesos. Yung OctoTwist na yon, 8 threads na yon, 8 strands na yon on each single cannula. So, the good thing with the product we use, hindi na tayo po gumamit ngayon ng dermal filler. Hindi na ako nag-hyaluronic filler. But with the help of the OctoTwist, because it is a volumizing thread, so parang nagkaroon ng volume ang nose ni Dayan.
Wow.
Okay, so idea lang po yon, but we still need to do an individual assessment because our nose anatomy varies. Some people have like a medium height, or very low, or very high na, or just crooked lang, so they may need few threads lang, the others may need more. So it's a case-to-case basis po. Pero at least somehow, you have an idea yung per thread kung magkano. And then, yung iba are asking, service fee kasama na doon or your professional fee, included na po doon. So, we just compute based on how many pieces we use. But then, we wanted to achieve yung ideal nose, yung talagang may aesthetic appeal. Hindi yung sinabi namin 10,000 tapos parang 5 threads lang. Kasi we've heard others 10,000, 5 threads lang pala. So parang yung ilong mo, parang may toothpick lang. Kasi I have others coming from yung mga patients namin na nagawa ng iba, they're not satisfied. So we still have to add more. So parang mas gumastos pa sila. Okay, so thank you, Dayan.
So,
Any additional input?
thank you, Doc, for letting us know. Kasi meron po akong mga friends na nagtatanong din po sa akin. Tapos meron yung sinasabi nila na naka-promo daw.
Yeah.
So, mahirap po na gusto mo makamura pero mas mapapagastos ka pa in the end kasi
Yes.
hindi ka satisfied. And worse, baka may kung ano pang mangyari sa'yo, Doc, di ba? Complications.
Yes.
Kaya reminder lang po to everyone who's watching to make sure na kung magpapagawa po
Yes.
kayo ng ganito, make
Right.
sure that you do that with a licensed or certified aesthetic physician.
Yes, yung pa may mga license po. Ha? So do not go to those unqualified practitioners or mga non-physicians po. Thank you, Dayan.
Thank
That's
you
a
so
very
much, Doc.
important message, lalo na it's very timely right now.
Opo.
So maraming salamat din po sa inyong lahat. Kung meron pa po silang katanungan, you may email us at csaskinclinic@yahoo.com, our Instagram CSA Medical Aesthetics, FB page CSA Medical Aesthetics. Our clinic is located here at the Infinity Shop, Francisco G. Nepomuceno Avenue, Pulong Maragul, Angeles City. Contact number 0933-860-9193, 0917-504-4268. So thank you. God bless you all. When it comes to natural beauty, you can trust the CSA Medical Aesthetics.